Hello, I'm Dr. Dibyendu Mukherjee, presently attached to Fortis Hospital as a consultant internal medicine and rheumatology, and I'm also the professor of medicine at KPC Medical College, Kolkata. Today, on the World Arthritis Day, I want to say something to all the people. Arthritis Day is not a day for celebration, it's basically a day for awareness. Awareness for all, not only for the arthritic patients, but also for the patient relative, to understand the severity of the disease, what the disease is, and how that can be tackled. Arthritis is a disease where it's a crippling disease. It not only increases the morbidity, it has also a lot of mortality. So arthritis is basically the disease of the joints. It's not only of the joints, also of the surrounding tissues. It can broadly be classified into two groups. One is the inflammatory arthritis, the other one is the non-inflammatory arthritis. It's very difficult to assess from a patient's point of view, but we, the doctors, the rheumatologists and other specialty doctors, they know to differentiate because the treatment modalities will differ according to whether it's an inflammatory or a non-inflammatory arthritis. As a rheumatologist, I basically deal with the inflammatory variety. So with the inflammatory variety, what happens is, pain is one of the cardinal symptoms. The pain is usually in the morning. Patient finds it very difficult in getting up from bed. And as the days go by, after doing some amount of gentle movement of the joints, doing some amount of work, that the pain gradually subsides. They're also associated with swelling of joints. They can be single joint, they can be multiple joints. In this group of arthritis, it just doesn't affect the joints only. It affects other organs as well. That is the reason why this disease should be diagnosed early and should be addressed properly. It can affect other organs, like the kidneys are very commonly affected, the lungs are affected, the cardiac muscles are affected, the blood vessels are affected, often the brain is affected in various sorts of arthritis. By arthritis, grossly what we come across commonest is rheumatoid arthritis. Then there is a lupus arthritis. There is ankylosing spondylitis or spondyloarthritis, reactive arthritis, and the gout. These are to name a few. So I would advise not to neglect any of the symptoms, not to neglect any of the features where you have pain in the joints, because that might be the initial manifestation. You are actually harboring a disease which can affect other organs of the body which you can't understand from outside, and ultimately that is going to be fatal. So you should be alert, you should go to the right person. Instead of taking over-the-counter drugs, just a painkiller is not going to help you. You have to be specific, treat the disease, be safe, be healthy. And as far as the diet is concerned in arthritis, diet also plays a very important role, diet and exercise. You need to exercise daily. You need to keep your joints mobile. You need to make them flexible. As far as diet is concerned, well, it is a good, healthy diet. That means you need to have ample amount of water. You need to take fruits, vegetables, and it should be a proper, balanced diet. And there are some specific things for specific disease, arthritis, which you should avoid. For example, in gout, the things to be avoided in gout, we have a lot of myths in it. Some people say a lot of vegetables are to be restricted, but take it from me, you don't have to go by that. Only things which are restricted is alcohol, is red meat, is seafood, and nothing else. So keep on doing exercises, take healthy diet, consult the specialist whenever is required. Do not take medications from over-the-counter shops, or do not self-medicate and lead to progression of the disease. Thank you.